Bitcoin is a digital currency that has been growing in popularity over a couple of years, and it's once again in the news because of the recent ransomware attacks. It's the biggest digital currency out there and a favorite of the digital underground. Did you know Bitcoin can be used as an investment too? The value of Bitcoin has gone up significantly over the years, and the cryptocurrency is now being used for online trading, remittance, and day-to-day shopping. Curious to find out where you can buy some for yourself? Here are 5 places to buy and sell Bitcoin in India. Unicoin is an Indian-owned operation, and users can buy and sell Bitcoin through its iOS and Android apps, or even the web. Setting up is easy, and you can buy and sell Bitcoin through any FT from your bank account. You can use the Bitcoins you purchased in other places, such as topping up your BookMyShow wallet. BuyUcoin lets you buy Bitcoin online using credit card, debit card, and net banking. But first, you need a purchase ID. This requires your name, email ID, phone number, and your PAN card number, and a photo of your PAN card. You need to upload a copy of another ID as well. Driving license or Aadhaar card works as well. You can purchase Bitcoin and store in popular online and offline wallets. You can see the price of Bitcoin at the top of the page. Buy the coins just like you would purchase anything else online. ZebPay is a Bitcoin portal that lets you link your bank accounts for fast transfers, and it's quite easy to operate via Android or iPhone app. It's a regulated company in India and requires the KYC procedure for user verification. It claims to offer multiple security features and also allows you to track historical data on Bitcoin pricing. CoinSecured is a regulated Bitcoin exchange with low fees. Due to its KYC requirement, it's not the best option for those who want private transactions. Easy to navigate, the CoinSecure site and Android app shows charts giving data on the exchanges taking place. This allows you to see how other people are trading and at what rate. Now, Local Bitcoins is for you if you want private transactions. The transactions are quick and easy, and you can carry out in-person trades anonymously. You can trade this in cash too if you want to avoid paper trail. However, there are limitations on the amount you can purchase at a time. The prices are just a bit higher than the rest, and be careful with this one. Some users have spoken about scammers on this site too. So these were the 5 places where you could buy and sell Bitcoin in India. For all things tech, don't forget to log on to gadgets360.com.